Students, now let us talk about the long loads. Block storage is a type of long loads. We have talked about the mini loads, which was used for the smaller items, smaller cartons and smaller bins. Long loads would be for something which is bigger in size. Block storage would be a wooden board, for example, are often strapped into unit loads. So wooden boards are there, जो कि एक unit load बना रहे हैं आपके पास. And blocks stored in yards with pieces of wood inserted between the loads so that they can be lifted from underneath. So block storage कैसे की जाती है? उसको movement करवाने के लिए, उसको lift करने के लिए, we will actually insert different wooden pieces into it so that they can actually have some strength to actually being loaded. So wooden strips or wooden would be inserted between them. Then we have cantilever racking. Cantilever racking comprises central steel uprights with bottom bars extending out towards the aisle to provide stability. So cantilever racking would be some central steel uprights. Uprighted steels would be there, and there would be bars extending out from it. So steel and bar would be there, and it would be used for providing the stability, and it would be used for lifting by means of different truck attachments. Then there is tossed rack storage. This may be used for the vertical storage of metal plates or sheets of other material. So metal plates हैं या sheets हैं किसी material की, उनकी storage के लिए tossed rack storage इस्तेमाल की जाती है. Then there is pigeonhole racking. In fact, when we were talking about different truck attachments, we have seen the pigeonhole racking, in which the figure in which the carpet was being moved. So that was a pigeonhole racking. This type of racking comprises long pigeonholes at various levels extending from the aisles. So pigeonhole racking was there, and for carpets and reels it is commonly used. And we can easily use the boom attachment for moving those carpets or reels from the pigeonhole racks. Thank you.